Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee, and before we get into the video, if you're not yet a part of my YouTube family, what you do? Press the red button and stop waste with time. And if you are a part of my family, thank you for being a part of my family. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like and also share this video. So today we're gonna make barbecue jerk chicken wings. So the first thing in making your chicken wings is to wash them, and I did mine off camera. To season my wings, I'm using some Walkerswood jerk seasoning. I'm also using some Jamaican jerk powder seasoning and some Maggie all-purpose seasoning and the chicken seasoning. So I'm just gonna put in 1 tablespoon of the Walkerswood jerk seasoning onto my wings because I have this hot and spicy one, as you can see, and it's really spicy, and I'm not trying to make my wing extra spicy. But they have the mild one, so if you're not too much of a fan of the spicy, take the mild one. So we're gonna make the sauce, and the sauce is the main ingredients in this dish. So we're using the sweet brown sugar barbecue sauce. And of course, we're gonna use some of the Walkerswood jerk seasoning. And you're gonna put 1 more tablespoon into the sauce because this one is really spicy. If you have the mild one, you can probably use 2 tablespoons. But I suggest using 1 tablespoon because it's so spicy. Spicy, but really good. And of course, I have to go in with some ketchup because I'm not trying to finish all my barbecue sauce in one dish. Are you for real? And since we're here treating the barbecue sauce using the ketchup, now we're gonna use some brown sugar to get that barbecue flavor. And also we're gonna use some all-purpose seasoning just to give it that really nice flavor. I mean, if you don't have the Maggie all-purpose seasoning in your kitchen, like seriously, what you're doing, you need to have one in your kitchen. I don't care who you are, you need to have one in your kitchen, period. So you just want to mix all of that in together. And guess what? You don't even have to put this on the flame because everything in this can eat as it is. So that's the good thing about it. I went ahead and I prepared my baking sheet. I'm using some parchment paper. If you don't have any, just use some grease, like some cooking oil or something, to grease your sheet. But you want to make sure that you give your chicken wings some space because you want them to cook evenly. I preheat my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to oven jerk my chicken wings for 20 minutes. So the 20 minutes was up. So now I removed my chicken wings from the oven. Now I'm going to put them in the sauce that I made earlier. So just to make it easier for you, save time and everything, just drop them wings in the sauce and just take them out and put them back on the sheet, and then you're going to stuck them in the oven for the next 10 minutes. But this time you're going to put your oven at 400 Fahrenheit. My reason for turning the oven up was to make the sauce dry onto the wings. So just keep repeating the same process until all your wings is covered in the sauce. Guys, this is exactly how you want your wings to look when you take them from the oven. Like, I can taste the flavor in my mouth right now. Like, it was so good. If you're ever gonna try my recipe, don't cheat it. Make sure you go to this Caribbean store and you get the right ingredients to make this dish. Okay, it was so good. I can legit taste it in my mouth right now. I kid you not. This is my finished product. If you ever try my recipe, don't forget to send me a picture on any of my social, and the recipe is always down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.